Hello again, learners. How are you? How are you doing? I already explained the first three questions. Now we move to the next one. We have prove that. Let's say prove that the following identities. We have sine squared of 90 degree minus theta should be equal to cosine squared of theta. First of all, we start like that. Sine square of 90 minus theta equal. I will open parentheses. I will make sine 90 minus theta, then all raised to the power 2. Okay, all raised to the power. I just want this one. Okay, raised to the power 2. Okay, therefore this one equal. I will just expand this one, learns what is inside. I will expand this. Okay, it will be equal to sine of 90 degree, which is 1, multiplied by cosine of theta. There is negative sign. I should keep it for sine expansion. It will be minus sine of theta cosine of 90 degree. Cosine of 90 degree is 0. 0 multiplied by sine of theta is 0. So it remains only sine of 90 multiplied by cosine of theta, all raised to the power 2. Sine of 90 is 1 multiplied by cosine of theta is cosine of theta. Therefore, I proved the first one. Okay, let's see, the first one was proved. For the second one, cosine square of 90 minus theta should be equal to sine squared of theta. I will start. I will make cosine squared of 90 minus theta equal cosine of 90 minus theta, all raised to the power 2. All raised to the power 2. Then I will make the expansion of cosine. So cosine of 90 minus theta will be cosine of 90 multiplied by cosine of theta. There is negative sign. I should reverse in the expansion of sine. So it will be plus sine of theta, sine of 90. Cosine of 90 here is 0. Multiplied by cosine of theta is 0. So you will cancel this one is 0. Okay. Therefore, learners, it remains only sine of theta multiplied by sine of 90. Sine of 90 is 1 multiplied by sine of theta equals sine of theta raise it to the power 2. Therefore, I proved the first one, the second one. Now, for C, tangent squared of 90 minus theta equal cotangent squared of theta. I will just use the ratio, trig ratio for sine and cosine. Tangent squared of 90 minus theta is sine square of 90 minus theta divided by cosine square of 90 minus theta, or sine square of 90 minus theta. We showed that is cosine squared of theta. I will write this here at the top above the line. Okay, so it will be cosine squared of theta divided by cosine squared of 90 minus theta. We showed this one is sine square. So cosine square over sine square gives cotangent square. Okay, now we prove this one. Now we move to the next one. The question is prove this identity, which is 4 sine square of 90 plus over cosec square minus cotangent square. This one is fact is equal to 1. Then 8 cosine square of 90 minus theta over 2 sec square minus 2 tangent square. You can see this is 2 you can put into common factor. Okay, these 2 you can put them in common factor. Okay, and I will write the 2's way. Doesn't color. Okay, therefore this one should be equal to this. We will try to prove this one. We will start from left hand side. So this is left hand side, left hand side. Okay, give us 4 cosine square, because this one we proved that is cosine square, over cosec square of theta minus cotangent square of theta. This one learns is equal to 1, this value. Then plus 8 sine square divided by 2 times sec square minus 2 tangent square multiplied by tangent to theta. Therefore, I will write this as 4 cosec square of theta, the first one that is above the line. I will write it here. Okay. Then divided by cosec square of theta minus cotangent of theta is always equal to 1. Okay. Then plus 8, let's say cosine square of 90 minus theta, I will write it as 8 sine square of theta, then divided by